When assigned to set up ceremony chairs, the first thing you should do is figure out how many total chairs are needed, which you can do by asking the captain. A general rule of thumb is to set up enough rows of chairs with an aisle in between for the guest count, plus one more row. The aisle should be able to accommodate at least 3 people walking side by side. To start off the chair setup, identify where the aisle will be and then set up the first row on both sides of the aisle, which should be lined up with each other. When lining up chairs next to each other, leave about an inch gap in between the chairs. After lining up your first row, use a chair to measure the spacing in between each row. Continue doing this with the first chair in each row until you have the number of chairs required to create the aisle. Once the aisle is formed, fill in the rest of the chairs. The last thing you will need to do is wipe down all the chairs that may be dirty using a wet rag and a bucket of water.